99% of the men will watch this video and change nothing. They'll just nod along, feel motivated for 10 minutes, and then just go to TikTok and scroll endlessly like a zombie. But if you are in the 1%, watch this video till the end and actually apply what I speak in your life. If you don't take action, nothing changes. And nothing changes if nothing changes. I'm about to tell you 8 habits that separate high value men from the others. And trust me, after all the 5 years of grinding and transformation journey, I can promise you one thing. If you skip this video, you'll regret after 6 months. But if you watch it till the end and actually apply what I say, you'll never ever regret. I used to be that kid everyone picked on. Slim and tiny arms, zero confidence. I remember this one time I tried to join a conversation with these cool kids and they literally turned their back on me. And that night I stared at myself and made myself a promise that I am going to change. I was done being a victim. No more skinny physique, no more people pleasing, and no more being the person people forget after 5 minutes of meeting. So before we start, let me tell you what is a high value man. A high value man is a man who people respect before he even speaks. He is reliable, confident, and he has his life together while others have chaos in their life. He is clear. He might be confused, but he knows how to think clearly in the confused state too. He knows how to adapt to situations. He is responsible, reliable. Confidence sparks through his body. He is charismatic. He has the aura. And that's what a high value man is. Want to know the fastest way to instantly become more attractive? It's easy. Just shut up. Yes, just shut up. I used to be that one guy who constantly tried to prove himself. Constantly trying to prove myself smart, clever. Know what happened? People tried to avoid me like a plague. Because no one is interested in you. They are interested in themselves. Then I learned this one thing. The person who talks the least in a room has the most power. The lesser you speak, the more power you have. I live by this principle each and every day in my life. High value men listen. They ask questions. They make others feel heard. And know what happens? People become obsessed with them. So the actionable step is ask more questions. Talk about others. Don't just keep talking about yourself. Trust me, silence is your best weapon. Stop being a Wikipedia of excuses. Take action, not just words. I used to spend years planning things before doing them. But then I learned this one thing. 1 minute of taking action is greater and better than 10 years of planning. Listen to this again. 1 minute of action, 1 minute of taking action is greater and better than 10 years of planning. No one in the world and no plan in the world can teach you more than just doing the thing, just actually doing the thing. And no one in the world cares about your potential or your hard work. They just care about the execution. They just care about the results. So your next move should be doing the thing you are planning to do from years. Do it today, not tomorrow. Just start. You don't need to be perfect on your day one. No one is. Just start. Because remember, imperfect action always beats perfect inaction every single time. Always. Your body is a billboard advertising who you are. You don't need to be a bodybuilder, but you need to have a decent physique, good health, good fitness, because health matters more than anything in your life. Health should be your first priority, no matter what. I used to think looks don't matter, but that's not the case. And that's a harsh truth. People judge you in just 7 seconds. They judge you before they even speak to you from your appearance. There's no drawback in working out and making your health better, making your physique better. But there are a lot of drawbacks of not working out and not exercising. So your next move is start working out. Go for a 10-minute walk or a 30-minute jog. It can be anything. Just start. Your future self will thank you when people start treating you differently. Dumb decisions create dumb lives. Read to make your moves smarter. Read books. Listen to some podcasts and ingrain the knowledge which you find valuable in your mind. Just reading a book or skimming through it or maybe listening to a podcast is not the key. The key is in ingraining the valuable knowledge in your mind and then applying it in your life. That changes everything. Never forget this. Knowledge without application is just entertainment. So make sure you apply what you learn. Your next move is start reading 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes, 10 pages can be anything. Read what you love until you love to read. Follow this principle and you will fall in love with reading. Time wasters are life destroyers. Learn to say no to things. I used to be everyone's yes man. I said yes to everything. But then people started valuing me less. I was everyone's backup plan. But then I decided to say no. And that's when my value increased. Scarcity increases value. Don't be available at every time. Don't be available to everyone. The most powerful word in the English language is no. Learn to say no to things. Learn to say no to things without giving any reason. You are not answerable to anyone. Follow this boundary test. The next time someone asks you for something, just ask yourself a question. Does it take me closer to my goals? If yes, go for it. If no, strictly say no without giving any reason. And then watch how people's respect for you skyrockets. Confidence is not born, it's built brick by brick. I thought confidence was this magical thing you are born with, but it's not the case. Every confident person you see today once felt insecure or shy, anxious in public, but he decided to build his confidence through small wins, brick by brick. Confidence is built when you do the things you promise yourself. It's easy. Just follow the things you tell yourself. Start microscopic. Choose any tiny habit and follow it for straight 7 days without lacking. No days missing. Just go for it. It might sound fake or useless, but that's what builds confidence. Actually doing the stuff you say. Masters of emotion become masters of life. Develop emotional intelligence. I used to explode at everything, every small thing. I used to be upset or a lot happy when I win and a lot upset when I lose. But that gave me the tag of emotional toddler. High value men don't let their emotions drive the car. They know how to keep their emotions in control. And once you learn it, it's the game changer. Here's what changed everything. If you feel angry, just count to 10. Just count to 10. Give yourself time and then respond whatever you want because your mind will be calmer than before. That pause is the difference between reacting like a leader and reacting like a loser. Practice this. Next time someone frustrates you or makes you angry, just give yourself time and then decide what to react or respond. The moment you stop growing is the moment you start dying. A life without growth is nothing. It's just a time waste. You must commit to continuous learning and improvement and growth. While I was wasting times on games, Netflix, or movies, other people who were serious were learning things, learning skills, reading books, taking courses, improving their knowledge, doing whatever they can to improve their life. High value men are learning machines. They build themselves to learn each and every second. They know how to learn from each situation. They invest in themselves like their life depends on it. And it does. Dedicate 1 hour every day to learn something new that you never knew before. Each and every day. In 365 days or maybe 6 months, you will be a completely different person. And listen up. I just gave you the 8 pillars that will make you feel like a high value man. And that will actually make you a high value man. Not just in your mind, but also in others' minds. But here's the thing. 99% of the people watching this video right now will forget about it in 5 minutes. But if you are in the 1%, you will actually apply all these in your life. Apply all the things I told you, all the 8 pillars. Apply them consistently for 6 months and then tell me how it goes for you after 6 months. Just put it down in the comments below after 6 months. I can bet my life on it that you will not regret even 1% after following all the 8 pillars I gave you. Don't be the guy who has motivation for 10 minutes and then just forgets everything. Be the 1% guy, because champions are not made in comfort zones. They are forged in the fire of daily discipline and consistency. Start right now or stay average forever. The choice is yours.